Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. Simply go to settings. Here you can see the option display. Tap on the option display. Then here you can see the slider. Here we can adjust the brightness. Okay, according to your comfort, you can adjust the brightness. Here you can see the difference, right? This is the minimum brightness that we can apply on the device, and this is the maximum brightness that we can apply on our device. So according to your eye comfort, you can set the brightness. The adjusting brightness helps improve the visibility in different lighting conditions. If you're standing under the sun, then you have to increase the brightness. Okay. Lower brightness can also help extend battery life. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.